morning, Boujee babies. It's Barbie, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the Boujee crew because it's a Boujee way or no way, period. Today I'm wearing dye hair. I think that's how you say it. If not, like I always tell y'all, everything will be in the description. This is a 20-inch Burmese wavy wig, I think. It's 180 density, and this is and it comes ombre colored like this, because I know somebody's gonna ask, did I color it? No, I did not color it. It came like this, super pretty. I love how it complements my skin color, period. So yes, this is the wig, and I kind of just woke up, so I didn't do my baby hairs or anything this morning. They're kind of just laying how they, you know, they're just doing what they want to do this morning. Okay, I didn't even fix them. I just sprayed the hair, because in the video it is not sprayed. I just put it on dry like it is, because y'all know I like dry big hair. I always tell y'all this. So yeah, this is how it looks. Super cute, simple install. And this is a 20-inch, like I said. This is the link. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already, and join the Boujee crew. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Mwah. So the wig came in this bag, and the wig came with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the front and 1 in the back. Our first step is putting on our cap and cutting the ears so that way it will lay flat, spraying it with our freeze spray, and then blow drying it until it is completely dry. Okay, so once it's completely dry, we're going to use our powder foundation and put it over the front of the cap. I didn't do a lot this time because I just didn't, but yeah. So we're just going to put our powder foundation, and then we're going to go in and cut the rest of the cap off so we can go ahead and get ready to apply our wig. Now I'm just fixing the placement of the wig, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace by the ears. I'm going to use my Boujee Barbie hair gel, which is coming very soon. I think this week or next. And I'm going to put that over the hairline as well as some free spray. And then I'm going to go in and blow dry it until it is tacky. So now I'm going to lay the lace down, and I'm going to basically be combing the hair and the lace into the product so that way it will like stick very well. I always say this. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer as well to secure it. Then I'm going to cut the lace next. Make sure you always cut in a zigzag motion. I'm just going to go in and spray the parts of the lace that did not lay down and blow dry. now the next step is going in and doing our baby hair. So what you're going to do is just take a thin layer of hair from the front, and what I'm going to do before I even start on my baby hairs is basically I'm going to part them out, and then I'm going to use my wax stick and my hot comb to move the hair out of the way. So you'll see what I mean. Now I want to go in and cut them, and you do not have to cut yours this short, okay? Again, this is just how I do my baby hairs. You do not have to do yours like this, okay? The reason you see me going in and plucking my baby hairs right here is because they were too thick. When you pluck them, that thins them out, okay? Just a little tip. Now I'm just going to go in and use my powder foundation on the lace just to make it look a little bit more natural and blend it with my skin color. So after my baby hairs sit for a while and they're like basically dry, I go in and comb them out just so they'll look more natural and they won't be like stuck to my head. Now I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb again to lay the hair down flat. So I'm basically just going to be sticking with a middle part for this look, and that's pretty much it. So that's really the end of this video. Really quick install, super cute. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think about this look, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, babes.